Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of to-dos, projects, and deadlines? Like you're trying to juggle flaming chainsaws while riding a unicycle on a tightrope? You're not alone. We've all been there. And chances are, you've probably heard of Trello, the visual task management tool that's become a staple for teams and individuals alike. But what if you're deep in the Google ecosystem? What if you're looking for something that plays nice with your Google Drive, your Gmail, your entire Google workspace? What if you're wondering, is there a Google equivalent of Trello? Well, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive into the fascinating world of Google's task management tools. Because yes, there are options and some might surprise you. Before we jump into the direct equivalents, let's take a moment to understand what makes Trello so popular. It's the visual, card-based interface, right? The ability to drag and drop tasks, organize them into lists, assign them to team members, and track progress at a glance. It's the flexibility, the simplicity, and the collaborative nature that makes it a go-to for many. Now, Google doesn't have a single, direct, pixel-perfect clone of Trello. Instead, they've taken a more integrated approach, embedding task management capabilities throughout their various products. This means you might find the perfect solution by combining different Google tools, rather than relying on a single standalone application. Let's start with the most obvious contender, Google Tasks. It's built right into Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. It's simple, it's accessible, and it's integrated. You can create tasks, set due dates, add details, and even create subtasks. It's perfect for personal task management and quick to-dos. But, and this is a big but, Google Tasks lacks the visual, card-based interface that Trello is known for. It's more of a traditional list-based system. So, while it's great for simple tasks, it might not be the best choice for complex projects or teams that thrive on visual organization. Next up, we have Google Keep. While not strictly a task management tool, Keep offers a flexible and visual way to manage information. Think of it as your digital sticky note board. You can create notes, lists, reminders, and even add images and drawings. You can color code your notes, add labels, and collaborate with others. Keep's visual layout and drag-and-drop functionality make it a closer cousin to Trello than Google Tasks. You can create lists that resemble Trello boards, and the ability to add images and drawings can make your tasks more engaging. However, Keep lacks the robust project management features of Trello, such as assigning tasks to specific team members, tracking progress, and generating reports. Now, let's talk about Google Workspace. This is where things get interesting. Google Workspace offers a suite of tools that, when combined, can provide a powerful task management solution. Consider Google Sheets. Yes, a spreadsheet, but don't underestimate its power. You can create custom task management boards using Sheets, complete with columns for task names, due dates, assignees, status, and more. You can use conditional formatting to visually highlight overdue tasks or tasks that are nearing completion. You can even create charts and graphs to track progress and identify bottlenecks. The beauty of Google Sheets is its flexibility. You can customize it to fit your specific needs and workflows. You can also leverage the power of Google Apps script to automate tasks and create custom features. However, setting up a task management system in Google Sheets requires some initial effort and technical know-how. Then there's Google Calendar. It's not just for scheduling meetings. You can also use it to manage tasks and deadlines. By creating events and setting reminders, you can ensure that you stay on top of your to-dos. Google Calendar integrates seamlessly with Google Tasks, allowing you to view and manage your tasks alongside your appointments. For teams, Google Chat and Google Meet play crucial roles. You can use chat to communicate with team members, share files, and discuss tasks. You can use Meet for video conferencing, brainstorming sessions, and project updates. These tools facilitate collaboration and ensure that everyone is on the same page. And let's not forget Google Drive. It's the central hub for all your files and documents. You can organize your project files, share them with team members, and collaborate in real time. Google Drive's integration with other Google Workspace apps makes it easy to access and manage your project files from anywhere. So, is there a single, perfect Google equivalent of Trello? The answer is a nuanced, not exactly, but kind of. Google offers a range of tools that, when combined, can provide a robust and flexible task management solution. If you're looking for a simple, personal task management tool, Google Tasks is a great option. If you need a visual way to manage information, Google Keep is worth exploring. If you're a team that needs a powerful project management solution, Google Workspace, with its combination of Sheets, Calendar, Chat, Meet, and Drive, can be incredibly effective. The key is to understand your specific needs and workflows and then choose the tools that best fit those needs. For many, a hybrid approach, combining Google Tasks with Google Keep or Google Sheets, might be the ideal solution. It's also worth mentioning that Google is constantly evolving its products and services. New features and integrations are being added all the time, so it's always worth keeping an eye on the latest updates. Ultimately, the best task management tool is the one that helps you and your team stay organized and productive. Whether you choose Trello, Google Tasks, Google Keep, or a combination of Google Workspace tools, the goal is to find a system that works for you. And remember, task management is not just about the tools you use. It's also about the processes and habits you develop. It's about breaking down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. It's about setting realistic deadlines and prioritizing your work. And it's about communicating effectively with your team. So, experiment with different tools and techniques, find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to adapt and change as your needs evolve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.